first time VM18. Okay, this is my first time will use BM18 or the video making kit. April 18 kasi siya dumating. So, and siya gamit na natin ngayon guys. And with the help ng lightning natin. So, medyo maliwanag na. Pogi na tayo guys. Para sa mga aspiring YouTuber or gusto mag-vlog or film. So, patuloy lang tayo. Actually, I'm a new YouTuber and new vlogging, new everything. So, I want to conquer my fear, hesitation when it comes to speaking sa camera or paano ba matuto mag-speak sa camera. Yung mga ganun, gusto kong matutunan. At gusto ko rin makapagkausap palalo ng effective sa ating mga client internationally. So, medyo yung lighting ko dito. So, hopefully guys, gumagana yung mic natin at talagang maganda yung kuha ng camera. Sana. So, let's see. No? And this is JP Business. Our business is, let's focus on the progress and enjoy the process. I come up to this because I just want to conquer my hesitation and my fear. That's the main thing. I usually love to listen in podcasts and I want to learn from YouTube. So this is my time to start. So I always see the algo, just do it, said this is the right time to start. Start YouTube, start something new, start conquering your hesitation and fear. The second part is build confidence, build courage and the confident. Pogi na tayo guys. And the last thing is, before I said the last thing, let's recap. First, I just want to conquer my hesitation and my fear. So I will start my YouTube channel and to become an effective speaker and also listener. Second is, I just want to build courage and confidence by facing those hesitation and fear. And the third and the main topic is I just want to build my personal brand. When my client talk to me, the brand itself telling the story. My YouTube channel is telling the story. A personal story telling how good, how better, how best I am. So it is always versus me and myself, nothing all. So I love Yoshi. We have the same thought, we have the same mind when it comes to see the progress. Like he said, do you want to have pain of discipline or pain of regret? Or do you want to have a pain of progress? Or do you want to have the pain of regress? Choose your pain. So help me God by doing this. Help me to improve and let's see everyone improving. So let's focus on the progress and enjoy the process. And this is JP Business. Welcome everyone.